This is what we're having today, February 2nd, 2015. And there's a big slid going on here in the city of New York. So you see how, I don't know how you look at it at the camera, but it's just so strong here. Look at that, I'm on the 35th floor of the One Penn Plaza, and wow. I'm sure it will get too cold now. Look at the bus there. Wow, look at that here. This is the city, but we have all this lit coming. It's a combination of snow and rain. We're only expecting rain, but with the snow, it would just make it worse. So I don't know. I probably would stay a little bit longer in the office. I know it's getting so strong, yeah. Okay.